In today's video, we're going to do an everyday makeup routine. This is kind of like a light beat, if you will, a light, extra light glam. This is after freshly prepped skin. First, I'm going with sunscreen because even under makeup, you should probably be wearing sunscreen. Onto primer. I put this any and everywhere that I possibly can. Onto the eyebrows. This step probably takes me the longest whenever I do my makeup. But first, I just slick up my eyebrows with regular old hair gel. Nothing too extra. For eyebrows, I prefer a brow pomade and a small angled brush to make like hair like strokes. I feel like that's how I get the most natural look. I carve out my eyebrows like it's still 2016. I don't care. Free me from carving out my eyebrows, I'ma still do it. I once heard somebody say that if you use an orangey, like peachy toned concealer, it'll hide your dark spots. And they were right. They kind of ate up that one. You're gonna see I love a good matte base. So here I am with a very matte foundation in the places that I haven't concealed. At this point, the amount of concealer I've used is uncalled for, but trust the process. So this is how I conceal my under eyes. I just put a shit ton of concealer under there and let it sit for a while after setting spray. After like a minute or two of letting everything just sit and marinate in the setting spray, I go in and blend everything. I usually start with my eyebrows first and then I blend the rest of my face. Then lastly, I blend in my under eyes, and it gives like a seamless base. Trust me. Now this is where we're getting a little bit crazy. Okay, I use a lot of powder. I like a very matte base. I have oily skin, so whenever I do my makeup, I dry out my skin a lot. So you're gonna see an excessive use of powder. Sometimes I put a ridiculous amount of blush, and today was one of those times. Okay, I like my blush to be almost clown. Not quite clown, but clown adjacent, if you catch my drift. I've actually gotten really good at putting on eyeliner, but this day, I don't know what was happening, but the eyeliner was just not dark enough. I might have to buy another one, but hopefully not. I'm tired of spending money on eyeliner. Mascara is pretty self-explanatory. I just put it everywhere on my eyelashes and on my bottom lashes. Dude, now's not the time to be messing up. This is my favorite little touch when putting on makeup. I highlight under my brow bone just to give it an extra lift. Going in with that same highlighter, I put it in my inner corners and under my eyes on my eye bags just to give it a little extra shine. My all-time favorite lip product,